Welcome to the video learning series. In this portion of the video, we will be showing you how to add members to a project. Once your project is approved, click on your project in the My Projects tab on the left-hand side. Next, click the Members tab at the top of the page to add a new member to your project. Click on the Add New Member button and fill in the new member's email address and member type. Then click Confirm. Please note that to add a member, they must be registered with the ACHWM. Please refer to the member chart for the different member roles. Once you have clicked Confirm, your new member has now been added to your project. When you go back to the Members tab, you will see that they will appear on the member screen. If at any time you need to change or update the roles of one of your members, simply click Update on your chosen member and choose the new role. Next, type in their username and click Confirm. The page will refresh and take you back to the member screen where you will see the updated role of your member. The next portion of this video explores creating a cycle. To create a cycle, click on the Cycles and Reports tab at the top of the screen. Next, click Add New Cycle and input your cycle name. Then check off that you understand that a cycle cannot be removed once created, then click Confirm. Please note that cycles are a way to label different groups of data you will be collecting. For example, if you would like to run the survey with one group of children and compare scores from one year to the next, label your cycles as the year they will be completed. Another example of how to define cycles would be separating groups by defining features, such as a group's grade. This way you can compare scores in different grades once all the data has been collected. Once you are done collecting data, you can come back to the Cycles and Reports tab on your chosen project and download your data separately for each cycle you have created. This next section explores launching the ACHWM app and choosing your survey settings as well as how to start a survey. To launch the app, click on the Launch App button on the left-hand side of your screen. The app will load and prompt you to log in with your username and PIN. Next, click on Settings, then click on Survey Settings and choose which versions of the measure you would like to use and click Back. From there, click on Balance Settings and choose your chart colors that are relevant to your community, then click Back. Now you are ready to start a survey. To start a survey, click on Main Menu, Open Projects, then select your project. Next, click Open Project. You will then be taken to the Start Survey screen. Here you will fill in the participant information for the child you are working with. The cycle name is the name of the cycle that you defined in the member portal. Participant ID is a number associated with the child you are working with. This number needs to be unique to every child that you are working with. For the ACHWM, this number allows for the data to be de-identified, but will allow your community or organization to link the data back to that child. Once you have reached version, be sure to choose the version of the measure you would like the child to complete. Before you can begin the survey, always ensure that the child has provided consent. The child should be aware that their answers will be reviewed by a local health worker and may lead to a follow-up conversation. Once you have received the child's consent, you can check off the box and press Start.